Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this link shortener here. It's called Okeio, right? You can basically shorten your big links into small links, and they're going to pay you a little bit of money for it. So I'm going to review Okeio, and I'm going to show you a couple of other ways where you can make a little bit more money than Okeio, but it's a good start, okay? So Okeio is basically a link shortener. It's a very simple, cool little website, right? You kind of log in here, and you can see that all you do is you create an account, you shorten your link, you send out your link to a lot of people, and as people click on your links, you're going to earn a little bit of money. But the big question is how much money can you really earn, and is it really worth your time? Okay, so we're going to check out the rates here. You can see that Australia, the United States, the UK, Denmark, and Germany pay a little bit more. So this is $5 to $4 per 1,000 clicks. Okay, that means that for every single click, you're earning 0.005 dollars, which is really, really little. All right, so you're earning 0.005, actually 0.0005 per click, which is insane. So basically, you need 1,000 people to click on your links before you earn $5, which is very, very difficult. Now, if you're getting clicks from different parts of the world, like Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, it's a lot less. Okay, so you're getting only paid $1 to $1.50 per 1,000 clicks. So for you to make a lot of money, for example, if you want to make $10,000, you're talking about hundreds of thousands of clicks onto your link, right? Which is not the greatest way to make money online, unfortunately, right? Now, minimum payout here is $5, and they're going to pay out through Bitcoin, PayPal, and Skrill. So it's as simple as that. Now, the problem starts when you have to share your links with people. Where are you going to find these people to click on your links? And if you have to get to hundreds of thousands of clicks before you can even make a decent income online, then for me, that's not really worth it. Okay, so it's a completely legitimate way to make money, but in terms of you making realistic money, is not the greatest thing in the world. All right, so if you guys have been checking out Okeio, I recommend that you use other strategies to make money online, because there's so many other ways to make money online. So I'm going to show you a couple of strategies right now where I think you're going to get a lot better results. Okay, now here is one way, is to fill out surveys. Now you're not gonna make a lot of money filling out surveys, but you're gonna make way more money than if you were to use link shorteners. Okay, because with surveys, at least if you become a member of a lot of different survey websites, then hopefully you can fill out maybe one survey a day, and each survey is going to pay you between 50 cents and $2. So if you do the math on that, you could potentially earn, let's just say on average, $1 a day. If you filled out a survey every single day, you'll get about $30 per month. It's a lot easier to make money than, say, a link shortener, which is just really, really, really difficult, because even as a great marketer, you have to basically find lots and lots and lots of people to click on your links, which is very, very difficult. Okay, so at least with surveys, and you can come to surveypolice.com, you can find some great online surveys here. Start generating anywhere from $30 to maybe $60, maybe $100 if you aggressively fill out surveys. Maybe 2 surveys a day, you can potentially get to 60, 70, 80, maybe $100 a month. Okay, but again, not a great way to make a lot of money, right? What you want to do is, if you really want to make the big money, we're talking about a full-time income online, right? So $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month. You have to graduate to understanding how to really sell products. Okay, so you don't want to do things like link shorteners, unfortunately, or even fill out surveys, even though filling out surveys is actually a free way to get started. But what you really want to do is you want to graduate to something where you can invest a little bit of money and you can start making a lot more income. Okay, so the way to do that really is to look for great products, okay, online, and then learn to promote them online. It's very, very simple. So there are a lot of products that people want to buy on the internet, okay? And if you can learn to find these products online, and they can be in any industry. This is called affiliate marketing, right? And if you don't already know, I'm a big-time affiliate marketer. I've been doing it for many, many years. Failed for a very long time, but when I finally figured out how to do it right, it's a very, very lucrative business model. Now, the beauty about selling affiliate products is there's a lot of different types of products that you can sell. You can sell business opportunities, you can sell marketing systems, you can sell weight loss products, you can sell gardening products, you can sell cooking products, you can sell investment products, make money from home products, so many different ways to sell, and you can find them from lots of different networks and even individual marketers and product creators. Okay, now once you take these products, which for the most part are free, you don't have to pay for them, all you need to do is you need to learn how to promote it online in a very, very specific way. So you can promote it online through different social media websites like YouTube, like Instagram, like Facebook, like TikTok. There's lots of different ways to do it, okay? Now, some of these networks are networks like, you probably have already heard of these guys, ClickBank, okay? ClickBank is a huge network. They are available to most big countries around the world, but they're not available to every single country, all right? Now, if it's not available in your country, you can check out another one. It's called Digistore24. This is available globally, all right? And you can pick free digital courses that you can then promote and then just spread it to people all over the world. Make sure you find a good target audience and the right product, and you match them together, and you generate a sale, and then you generate a commission. Okay, these are very, very big networks. You can do your research on them. I mean, ClickBank is they make hundreds of millions of dollars a year. Digistore is slightly smaller, but still, they make millions of dollars a year in revenue, and they've got again hundreds of thousands. Sometimes, well, ClickBank has millions of marketers marketing their products. Okay, now this is the type of income that you can generate from this type of business model. Okay, so you get great products, you recommend them to people all over the world. I mean, look at this. This is my personal account, and you can see that this is actually my account, right? So this is a website that I logged into. You can see my face right there. It says Aaron. Okay. With this particular affiliate program, I'm selling somebody else's product. I made $94,000 with this particular program. That's pretty cool, right? And you can learn how to do this when you sell products from networks like Digistore and ClickBank as an example, okay? This is another one of my accounts. This is my Kartra account. You can see here last month I did $20,000 with this particular affiliate account. So selling other people's stuff, right? $20,000, not too shabby in a 30-day period, right? Again, I'm showing you this because it's very, very different from doing link shorteners or filling out even surveys, all right? But look, if you want to get started, then sure, filling out surveys is an okay way to get started making a little bit of money, but the big money really begins here, okay? So as a review right now, if you're looking at Okeio, I think that this is a very, very short-term, difficult way to make a lot of money. Can you make a little bit of money? Yes. You're gonna make a teeny-weeny bit of money, but you still have to get very, very good at recommending your links. So if you don't understand how to market online, you're not gonna get anybody to click on your links. So you see here how it says 1,000 views, right? Earnings per 1,000 views. You're never even going to get to 1,000 views, because how are you going to share your links on the internet if you don't understand how to market, right? So you do need to learn how to market. And also, even if you learn how to market, if you want to earn $5,000 a month, I mean, do the math on that. It's just ridiculously difficult for you to get there. Basically, it's kind of like this, right? So let's see, $5,000 divided by 5. You need 1,000 of these times another 1,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you need about 1 million clicks to earn $5,000 per month. You need 1 million clicks. Ask yourself this question: do you think that you can get people to click on your Okeio link 1 million times in order for you to make $5,000 a month? Very, very, very difficult. There's an easier way to do it, and that is to do this: learning how to promote great products using very, very cool strategies. Okay, so that is my review of Okeio. You guys can check it out if you want. I think there are easier ways to make money online, to be honest. And one of those ways is to sell great products that have already been created. All you need to do is learn how to market them. Okay, so if you want to check out my 6-figure affiliate marketing training, absolutely free. All you need to do is just click the link in the description box, okay, or the arrow on the right hand side if you're on your mobile device. On the next page, enter your best email address, go through the training. It's going to open your eyes, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, okay, and how I did this, right, and how it can be very, very realistic for you, because there are so many networks, there are so many marketers all over the world, there's so many creators of great products where you can just grab them, promote them for free. You just have to learn how to join these two things together: a great audience, a great product, get them together, and that's how you can start generating a lot of income on the internet. So I hope to see you on the workshop, and I hope you enjoyed this review of Okeio. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.